So, you have coffee beans. Because you're tired and sick and done with those instant 3-in-1 coffee. So, you have your coffee beans. But, you have no grinder. What should we do? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, disclaimer, I am not a professional barista or anything, and I am not a coffee expert, but I partnered up with Kape of Jo. So thank you so much, Kape of Jo, for partnering with me. And they sent me one of their coffee beans. So I have no grinder, but I want to grind them myself. So what am I going to do? Am I gonna use a hammer? Am I gonna use shaver, shredder? No, 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 no. But this is not a recommendation. I don't think professional baristas or coffee experts do this. So I'm gonna try it out. I haven't tried it yet. I'm just about to try it. So yeah, don't judge me, okay? Okay, joke. So I will use a blender. If you don't have any blender, well, um, I don't know what to do. This is just something that I know, so I'm gonna use a blender. So make sure you open it, of course, and clean it, and make sure that this one is closed, because you don't want coffee to be flying around everywhere. And then I will open our coffee bean from Kape of Jo, and then get your spoon and make sure it is 3 tablespoons. I mean, don't make sure. I mean, this is just for me. I do it with 3 tablespoons. And then after that, you close it tightly, very, very tightly. And then now you pray and hope that this one works. So now put it on the highest setting, and here we go. Let's blend. All right, so wow, I didn't think it would work, but it did work. So here we go. Look at that. I mean, it's not really that fine, but it still grind. See? Nice. So, what should we do? What should we do? Oh yeah, let's go make some coffee. So I'm not gonna show you guys the coffee making process because I've already showed you guys how I make my coffee. So I'm just gonna skip that. I'm just gonna skip this to that part. So here's the result. I mean, smells nice, smells good, and look, I made myself a cappuccino. I don't know, it's cappuccino or I don't know mocha something. How tasty. Oh hey hey hey! Uh huh. Oh no way. This one.
The sugar.
Mm.
Right?
Okay, so here's my cameraman's reaction. Oh.
Mm. Cacao.
Mm. Wow. This is my first time making this, so I think I can still improve it. So thank you guys for watching this video. So I really don't recommend you doing what I just did, but it's just something that you can do if you have no grinder like me, because I'm so done with the instant 3-in-1 coffee. So I bought myself this kind of coffee, and thankfully I want to thank again Kape of Jo for partnering with me and trusting me with their product. I've been I'm drinking Kape of Jo for like a week now, and I've been feeling so good. Especially in the morning. Mm. So check them out, guys. Links will be down below. So this is their drip coffee. It is so easy to use, and it really tastes good. It's so tasty. The bitterness, that is the bitterness that you want because it is barako. So make sure to go get yourself one of these. This is like if you buy, you will get 10 pieces. So check the link below. This is like 250 pesos, I think. Okay. So make sure you buy yourself one of those drip coffee. It's really highly recommended. But what I just did, I don't recommend you. But if you want to try, go ahead and try it. And thank you guys for watching. Enjoy your coffee.